Alright, so this is one of our watering points, Carlos, and they've been very successful. What it's done is it's enabled us to cut these paddocks down, and especially what I like about it is that the funding extended to mitigating one of my hassles that I have putting water troughs, fixed water troughs in, because what happens is inevitably, traditionally, the troughs end up in the middle of a mud hole, and I didn't want that. So we did a bit of research and we come up with this product right here. It's a GeoHex, it's a plastic mesh. We put a little pad of gravel down.
They're made out of recyclable plastics, aren't they?
They are, yeah. And we put this, I think it might be 65mm deep mesh, and we just laid it down. They clip together very easily. And we filled it with gravel, and as you can see, they have proven their worth already. So for erosion control, I'm very happy with them and with that product, and I want to do some more of it in fragile areas. It's been really fascinating to see the cattle. They prefer to use these troughs than they do the groundwater. What that does, it gives me the ability to supplement the water. So I can lock them in a paddock where they have no other water source, because they're smaller paddocks now. I can supplement them through the water. It's cheap, it's easy. I'm really wrapped with it.
And it will reduce your costs to running the cattle in the long term.
Exactly. But what we do have is these off-stream watering points. And these are basically like a miniature hydrant, if you like. All right, so what we're looking at here, we've got a poly pipeline running down this laneway, and a little offshoot here. And inside here is basically a hydrant. So it's its own little check valve and hydrant in here. So I just have these plastic troughs, like you can see in the background here. They're nice and light. I can carry them around in the back of the buggy or the ute or whatever. And I put them anywhere I want. I have a riser. It's simply a matter of pressing these in, and water flows. And when the time comes to move the cattle, it's again, I simply stop the flow, empty the trough and carry it to the next location. And to undo it, there's no taps, no valves, anything like that. It's just simply release, boom, and there we have it.